Here we go. I'm telling you, Montucky burps hit different, okay? All right, last one. Let's make it count. That one wasn't as good. Oh, that was nasty. Wait, one more. What? Okay, thanks. Bye. Holy cow. I'm on a roll tonight. It's the queso. Oh no, it's stuck. It's stuck really bad. All right, last one. I'm running out of time. It's a good one. Okay, honestly, I can't do it. There it is. That was a good start. Ow. It wasn't as good. I'm gonna get. Ow. Okay, that wasn't good enough for the last one. Blah.
What does that mean?
Well, that part I don't know. Could you just tell me that part for once?
It means
Oh my fucking god, that was awesome. Okay, last one because my stomach hurts really bad. Okay, bye.